Someone said fathers are not celebrated enough. But guess what? Something amazing and powerful is about to happen today. The Healthy Family Oil, Power Oil, is celebrating fathers as they showcase their culinary skills. Who says dads can cook? My name is Foley. Let's find out. Ready to taste?
Wow, taste is good.
But there's no salt.
It's peppery.
The seasoning is quite much. It's kind of tasty.
Happy Father's Day! Happy Father's Day!
Thank you.
Happy Father's Day! Happy Father's Day! Happy Father's Day! Happy Father's Day!